Welcome to the online presentation of the School of Arts and Sciences Honors Program Junior Academic Meeting. First, let's begin by talking about the SAS Honors Program Capstone Requirement. What is it? The Capstone is one of several requirements for the SAS HP students to complete in order to fully graduate as what we call an SAS Honors Program Scholar. The Capstone requirement must total a minimum of 6 credits, must involve a substantial writing or research component, and you need at least one approved faculty advisor. The SAS HP Capstone requirement can be done under one of two options. The first is option A, Departmental Honors / Senior Thesis. Most departments have a departmental honors program for outstanding students in their majors, and in most cases, those programs require a senior thesis of some kind. To learn about the requirements of the departmental honors program in your major, please visit the website of your academic department. Most of the departmental honors programs offer variations on a standard thesis that are important to understand, so please be certain to review the information on your departmental website and to contact your honors program dean and/or departmental advisor for further discussion. Option B is the interdisciplinary honors thesis. The interdisciplinary honors thesis is a 2-semester research project, generally done in 3 credits each semester, resulting in a written thesis and an oral defense before a faculty committee. Students must submit a proposal for approval before doing this option. A student completing an interdisciplinary honors thesis will generally enroll in 090, 495, and 496, our interdisciplinary honors thesis courses. Students must also enroll in either an appropriate departmental-based 1-credit thesis support course for each semester or in our research workshop option, which is 090, 491, or 492. The interdisciplinary honors thesis is the option for students who are really interested in a topic that spans more than one academic discipline, for example, a student who is a double major, or for a student who wants to complete a research project in a field other than their proposed major, or students that are in a major that do not have a departmental honors program. The standard interdisciplinary honors thesis is a scholarly monograph, a substantial written work based on a defined thesis question developed into a sustained argument. The work must incorporate extensive original research, be supported by evidence and critical reasoning, and must show mastery of a specific subject field. There are several things that must be in place before completing a capstone project. Number 1, the academic umbrella. Think about whether you would do an interdisciplinary honors thesis or a departmental honors course. Consider taking the Intro to the Thesis class. Secondly, the topic. Begin thinking early on about your topic. Finally, the advisor. Begin consulting with your advisor early on in the process. With those things in place, you can now work on developing your proposal. Proposals typically include statements on the following: the question or hypothesis that your work will address, why your question or hypothesis is an important one in your subject field, and what evidence or data is required to answer the question or test the hypothesis that you are proposing. Finally, you'll want to talk a little bit about what procedures you will use to gather the evidence or data that you're using in your study. With those factors in place, you can now develop your proposal. You may also want to talk about how these procedures will answer or test the hypothesis in question, how you will code or analyze data if this is relevant, and what bibliographic sources you will use. The specifics of your proposal will really depend on what kind of project you're doing. The department, which is your academic department, or the Office of Undergraduate Education will help you determine exactly what you need. Once you're finished, your proposal will be submitted to the SAS Honors Program and perhaps also to your academic department. IRB and Human Subjects Review. If your project involves human subjects, you must check with the Institutional Review Board, which is also known as IRB, for information before you proceed with your project. IRB protects the rights and welfare of human research subjects while facilitating ethical research. Please consult the IRB website for further information and to schedule an appointment for the appropriate training. Finally, when you are ready to submit your proposal, you can go ahead and submit an IHT, an Interdisciplinary Honors Thesis, right to the SAS Office of Undergraduate Education located at 35 College Avenue. If you are completing departmental honors, your proposal is submitted to the appropriate academic department. For a list of all the academic departments, please visit the website noted here at the bottom of your screen. Thank you very much for participating in our online training program. Please make sure that you complete the assessment at the end of your session. Thank you.